Yeah, here we have an ENCO 7" by 12" horizontal bandsaw. We have it powered up so you can watch it run. And we flick the switch here. Has a hydraulic down feed. And as the head slowly goes down, shuts the machine off. We tested the coolant pump on here. That operates. It has a little bit of shipping distress. This capacitor cover fell off. The capacitor itself is damaged, but the machine still fires up. The motor fan shroud is broken here. This is a plastic shroud. Also, this plastic junction box is broken apart also. All these parts are replaceable. Other than that, it's in very good condition. Operates fine. Here's your belt guard. You get 4 casters, 2 axles, material stop, and a vertical cutting table. We checked all the functions on here. Everything operates very nicely. Also includes an instruction manual.